our next movement step, because we want to move, right? That's where everybody dances. They want to move. All right, so it's going to be the pique. And this is a little tricky, but you know, like not too much if we do it correctly. Okay, so we're going to start again. Transfer the weight. 1, and let's do the battement tendu. 2, and let's do a fondu, which is that plie on one leg, yes? 3, then we're going to raise the leg, so this is a battement dégagé en l'air, and then the pique, we're going to step forward on the half toe, and so for that moment, you want to feel the weight into your right foot, and then we're going to bring the left foot to first position next to it. So we're going to do right foot and left foot, and then from here, I just need to open this foot a little bit so I can come down into a demi-plie and straighten. Right, so we're being in 1, tendu 2, fondu 3, and again, I'm being careful to point the toe inside the shoulder because that's where it always belongs. So just for a moment, you think, stand in your right foot and then stand on 2 feet. Let's think of it that way. Right foot and then 2 feet, and then let's plie on 2 feet and up. And I think that when we do that pique, if we think of pushing down, it helps to bring the body weight to center our weight correctly. All right, Isabella, please show the exercise. Breathe. This is the fondu, battement dégagé. Good. And plie. So you're always stretching up. And you're going to push down. Right. Forget the arms, nice arm. And good. And if you always keep the ears up and back as you move forward. So you're always stretching up. And right. That's good. So Isabel, let's begin with the tendu. And now let's do the fondu and the battement. We're going to show how you pique, 1 and 2, and you're going to open the foot to come down, plie. Right, so I want to go back and do it again. Let's show the viewer what happens if you don't open the foot from first position there to come down. So you're going to do this again, right? And the pique is to push down, push. Now if you just lower from here, there's not much room. It's kind of hard to do that. Right, it doesn't work. Okay, so let's go back again. So this is another adjustment that the student has to make from here. And push, push, and open the foot, and down and up. Just show this sideways. So let's do this. So I want them to see how far you can step when you pique. So you make your battement. Now how far can you go? To there and there. Right, and plie. Good. And let's try once more. So from the battement, now how far can you go? Good. Whoa, good. Okay. All right, now let's do the other side. Up here, ears back. So you can see where you're pointing the foot. Right. So nothing happens in here, right? No change. Always stretching up the back of the neck, up the front of the body here. Right. So we're still moving forward. This is en avant.